Developing tonight, Georgia's child welfare agency accused of trying to break the law. That's according to the testimony from some juvenile judges. Today, the second public hearing in the ongoing federal probe led by Georgia U.S. Senator Jon Ossoff. Atlanta News First investigator Sierra Cummings was in the courtroom for these shocking allegations.
3 judges testified today under oath. They were asked to keep children in detention centers, youth jail, because caseworkers need more time to find foster placements. State law says that can't be the only reason to house a child in jail. It wasn't the only major allegation today.
The law is wonderfully clear and instructive about when we detain children.
Monday morning, testimony describing what they called a failing foster care system.
And Georgia as a case study informing our subcommittee's inquiry.
As the second public hearing in the ongoing federal probe against Georgia Division of Family and Children's Services, or DFACS, 3 judges sat on the opposite side of the bench, detailing an August meeting in which they say DFACS leadership asked them to keep children in youth jails while the state agency tries to find foster homes.
As judges, we do not lock up children, especially special needs children, because we cannot find a place for them.
They preside over different juvenile cases in Paulding, Gwinnett, and Fulton counties, but here they share the same frustrations, arguing DFACS has not done enough.
Overwhelming caseloads, misallocation of resources, and a culture that seemingly prioritizes metrics over safety.
DFACS will come in and rearrange the family with this out-of-home placement of the child, and then could, and sometimes does, administratively close the case, which means no services to the parent, no services to the child.
Placing the burden on children to participate in services and chastising them when they fail, characterizing them as difficult and uncooperative.
The hearing tackled issues long exposed by Atlanta News First investigates historic staffing shortages, agency funding, and foster children forced to live in county offices and hotels. The reality led Judge Winona Belton to retire just 3 weeks ago. She's now a full-time advocate. This probe giving her optimism.
I am really hopeful that things will change. I definitely want to see some policy changes.
Policy change for her colleague Judge Sims means more direct assistance to families, less red tape.
So let's cut that out. Let's all just have a simple goal of, if you've got the services that we need and you're properly vetted, then let's go ahead and make those services available to the families. The state of our child welfare system is not what it should be.
We reached out to DFACS multiple times today for comment. The agency did not respond. However, they've previously denied all accusations of systemic failures. The federal probe remains ongoing. We anticipate another hearing in the coming days.